With a design sprint, you're going to be enabling a diverse team to collaborate creatively. Now, this can prove challenging. You're going to be getting a variety of personalities, egos, views, and opinions all working quickly and efficiently together. Now, that's not always an easy task. So here are 6 tips to help you become a better facilitator. Be prepared. The success of the sprint starts well before day one. And I'm not talking about the organizational stuff like the room and stationery and a healthy lunch, although of course that is important. The facilitator, he needs to ensure that the challenge ahead is properly framed by the team members and that the business need and the customer needs are going to be met. And only then should you move forward with the sprint. Create the right mindset. Successful sprints are the ones where all participants feel at ease and they're confident to express their ideas freely and build on the ideas of others. Now, a good facilitator creates that mindset. This inclusive, open environment really boosts creativity. Keep the team focused. Design sprint is a strictly time-boxed process. Structure is everything. After all, to accomplish months of ideation, development, prototyping, and validation in just a few days requires discipline. A good facilitator needs to make sure the team keeps focused and moves forward. Set the rules. Rules are rules, and establishing them correctly guides the team's behaviors and attitudes throughout the design sprint process. Now, the facilitator needs to create a framework that leaves no room for long arguments so you can make quick group decisions. At the same time, the facilitator needs to remain impartial and not impose their opinions on the team. Balance the energy. Design sprint is an exciting but intense process which requires a lot of concentration. It's the facilitator's responsibility to keep the energy at the right level. The team might be tired and distracted, or in some cases just too excited to stay on track. Now, you need to understand the dynamics in the room and then respond appropriately. Be flexible. The ability to improvise is vital. Things do not always go as planned, and it's simply impossible to do everything by the book. Being able to adapt and apply alternative techniques and tools to a specific situation ensures that the process keeps flowing smoothly. So, there you have it. 6 tips to make you a better facilitator. If you want to get a ton of other pro tips on how to become a Design Sprint facilitator, get our free Design Sprint Master Guide by clicking on the link below.